So today, I have a video. I haven't posted anything yet, so I'm still doing my Dark Hollow channel. But today I'm gonna prank Mango Juice, which he's in bed right now. And this is the worst time because I'm gonna do the air horn from. Oh, he's asleep. If you guys are ready, you could, with my permission, you could leave any comment you want. A hate comment or a good comment. You could decide to subscribe. I cannot force you. I'm like one of those YouTubers who will make videos for fun, but I won't force you. Okay, I'm gonna do the video. Please stop. Sorry. Please. No, please. Listen up, Papa. I'm serious. Morty. Morty. Please stop. Please stop. I'm serious. Please stop. Okay, fine, fine. Here's the phone. Promise. So usually, that's the video. This is prank. As usually, he woke up right here. He's right here right now. Thank you guys for being in this video. Leave a comment down below. You decide to subscribe, and I'll just say this is Mango Juice here, and you'll see you in the next video. Probably. And I'm Dark Hollow, signing out. Peace. Let's get this shit out of me. You're gonna prank me with a what?
I thought we were being attacked.
Okay, bye.